valve cover. Gasket does not appear to be leaking. There seems to be some oil on this engine mount, but I don't think that's it. I don't see anything back there. I just don't see anything that's leaking. So I'm gonna post this to everybody and ask you, have you had any issues with the front main seal on 2013 Ford Focus? I guess I'll use my new scissor lift to see if I can get under there better and determine where it's leaking. But it appears to be at the front, but I cannot see anything. So that's where I'm going to leave it.